how I got PR, how you can get PR if you are new to this path. And that's how I got my PR. I actually approached Sugar for the PR, but they declined my approach. I got some mails in my mail account that we are gonna do a collaboration with you. Okay, the first PR that I have received is from Aura Vedic. It will give you a massive improvement and you will see the improvement. The next product that I have received from Pilgrim. Now Pilgrim is new in this skincare range, and before this I didn't hear a lot about Pilgrim, to be very honest. So they were very generous to send me this Pilgrim red wine face wash, Pilgrim red wine face mist, and Pilgrim SPF cream. This is SPF 30 cream. So you won't even believe I freaking finished it. I totally finished it. There is no treasure of the product, as you can see. Nothing. I finished it. I freaking finished it. And will you believe that I loved it? I really loved it. I really loved it. The next product that I have received is face wash. The face wash also I'm about to finish. I have this much left. I don't know if it is visible. The face mist also is a very beautiful product. You will get 100 ml and it's very refreshing. So this is what I got from Pilgrim brand. The next products that I have got from a brand called as Seisha, and they were very generous. They were literally very generous. They have sent me 3 shampoos and 3 oils. Literally they have sent me the entire oil and shampoo ranges which I can use for decades, because I'm not that kind of oily type of girl, because I accumulate a lot of oils all over on my body, scalp, face, doesn't matter where, I accumulate a lot of oils. So I don't use an oil, but my mother use a lot of oil. Okay, she's about to finish a bottle so soon, but I am just this much. I'm done with this much. So already you know that I'm not that kind of oily girl or whatever. This is they were very generous to send me this total range of shampoo and oil. The shampoos are really great. I'm currently using this shampoo and I'm really enjoying it because it's shampoo cum conditioner, so you don't need any additional conditioner for this shampoo, which is yay. Okay, so the next product that I have got through PR, this is the onion hair mask from the Body Avenue, and this is a very good mask. Okay, I really loved it. I am almost about to finish it, but it's a very runny consistency. And I have also received the retinol serum. My mom is currently using that because retinol is really important for her skin, because she's above 40 and she needs that. Okay, retinol is really good for aged skin because it is scientifically proven ingredient. It actually helps to reverse your skin aging, so that's really important, and my mother is currently using that. So I got these two from the Body Avenue from through PR, and I really like this product. Last but not the least that I have received through PR, this is the Marshmallow Day Cream. This is from the Nature's Co, and it's a very good moisturizer for dry skin types. So in winter time I use this product because that time my skin feels a little bit dry, so that's why I use this, and I finished a lot of these. Okay, I finished a lot. So guys can see I am an oily type of girl, but still I have finished this much, so it is saying a lot. So in the winter, if you are oily skin type, you can go for this, but for dry skin type it will be a magic, literally a magic. Okay, not because I just got this through PR, that's why I'm saying this, but it's a magic in a tub. So yes, that's all I have in my PR. So I just want to say something before ending this video, and these points are really important. Okay, when I started YouTube, I didn't know anything about PR. I went through a lot of videos, and after that I actually gained some knowledge how to get PR, how we will contact with the person, because every single company has different PR team. They have separate PR teams which actually controls the influencers or content creators, whatever you want to call it. They actually controls all of this process like PR, sponsorship and all of that. Okay, so every companies have separate PR team, like the technician team, like the other team, they have the separate PR team. They actually checks your channel, your profile, your engagement and all of that, and after that they approach you to make a content with their product. And there is so many apps, influencers app, which you will get in Play Store, but I will suggest you not to get that, because they will approach you if you have that potential. If they feels that you have that potential, they will reach you. Until that, just stay positive and stay calm. They will reach you. Okay, don't just go ahead and download those apps, because once you register into the app, after that they will get your data and they will never approach you. Okay, so take your time, make videos. If you are new to this YouTube platform, I know it's really tough. I am struggling. You will also struggle. If company finds out your channel, they will definitely approach you. There are many PR teams who are actually waiting for you. Okay, it's not the end. You will feel like there is a lot of content creators. I think I'm not gonna make it. But you are wrong. They will approach you. They want to make the family much more bigger. So just upload contents. Currently I am attached with 3 apps and also 2 websites. They approached me through mail and I signed up. Many of them actually I have got through the apps, which is actually available in Play Store. I'm not gonna take the name because I'm not allowed to take the name. Okay, this is very confidential and I cannot mention them in this video. I actually approached 2 of the brands. One is Sugar and one is Pond's, but I got rejected. So that's why I no more approach any companies. I will suggest you to approach companies when you have at least 50k subscribers. Okay, when you have at least 50k subscribers and you get a lot of views, till then just make videos. Don't pressurize yourself to buy new products. Of course, whatever you have, you can start your channel with that. I had very minimal makeup when I started my channel. After that I went ahead and I bought so many things with my money because I started earning after that. When I actually started uploading videos, you will see about 1 year ago I started uploading videos in a regular basis, because my college was about to finish. I was in my 3rd year and everyone was preparing for their job and all of that, so I had to make a decision what I want to do. From that time I started uploading YouTube videos in a very frequent way, and now I upload videos in a very frequent way as well. You have seen that I have done the series of 30 days continuously video, and it was very pressurizing for me, but I just put the pressure by myself. There was no pressure which actually given by the YouTube or anything of sponsored videos or anything of that sorts, but I just put the pressure onto me because I wanted to take the pressure, because in this lockdown period I just wanted to get connected with you guys through videos, because I know most of you are getting bored, you are getting a lot of dilemma what to do and how to do, because you are a student, you are not enjoying your student life. Of course, I was into that as well, but I just wanted to get connected to you guys for like 8 to 10 minutes, but that videos didn't work as I expected. To be very honest, I didn't get a lot of views, but yeah, that's okay. I'm not running behind views. I never did that. I have almost uploaded 300 videos till date, and I'm not really care about the views. To be very honest, I am happy that I have 12,000 family members in my family, and I'm really thankful for that. Of course, I never pressurize you to subscribe to my channel or to like my video. Never. I just request you guys, but I never pressurize you guys. You know that, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to clarify. In terms of PR, yeah, it's very it feels nice. Who doesn't want free product? and we are getting full size products for free. And who doesn't want it? Everyone want it, right? It's very good, but it will take time. Initially I didn't get 1 or 2 views. Of course, I had to struggle with the views, I had to struggle with the subscribers, I had to struggle with my money, I had to struggle with my mind, I had to struggle with my family, because my family wasn't very happy that I am choosing this path. My family is still not happy, but that is another point. But I had to satisfy myself that, okay, I'm doing this, and I can do this. You need a lot of encouragement, and no one is gonna encourage you when you are starting a YouTube channel. Trust me, even some of my friends told me कि कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत लोग वैसे ही चालू कर चुके हैं, सो इस लाइन में तेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, सो जस्ट ट्राई टू गेट अ जॉब एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड it broke my heart, I don't want to lie. But trust me, I never wanted to do a 9 to 5 job. That's not me. So I really wanted to stay in this YouTube, and that's why I never heard of them. And till now I keep on uploading videos. I don't care about the views that I get and the amount that I am getting paid by the YouTube or any companies that I'm sponsoring. But at one point, if you are getting a lot of negative comments, you feel like, okay, it's not gonna happen, let's just leave. But that is the point when you have to encourage yourself to make videos and just stay positive. That's a biggest turning point when I actually didn't discourage myself from making videos, that you can't make videos, अरे views ही नहीं मिलता है तो क्या करेगी videos बना के. So these things you have to get over from yourself, and when you will get over from this negative thing, and you will find your true yourself. The times are really, really tough. We are back in 2020. I just feel like that we are back on track, and this lockdown is never gonna end. I mean, for India it's never gonna end, because we have another vote for like after 2 years, and if this vaccination process is getting so delayed, I don't know when I will get my vaccine, because I have registered for like 1 month ago, and till now I didn't get any date. We don't have vaccine to get vaccinated, and I don't know where the situation is gonna go. But we have to stay positive. You are meant to stay positive, you are meant to struggle. I meant to struggle, and I am still struggling. That's how I wanted to end up this video. And what I have told you, just keep that words in mind, okay? Don't just go ahead and buy many products that you don't want to. Don't just download every other influencers app which is available on Play Store, and don't just get registered, okay? If you have that potential, people will approach you. Till now, many companies don't know who I am. Even you don't know who I am right now, who is watching the video. So of course, the companies who have sent me this PR, they have seen some potential in me, and they have seen some honesty in me. I always try to be honest with you guys, as I have mentioned before. But yeah, that's why companies are connecting with me. So just keep making contents. Don't think about all the negative things that your family is talking behind you. एक कान से वो ले लो और एक कान से बाहर कर दो, okay? That's that, end of the story. And after that, just sit in front of camera and make contents, okay? And yeah, that's it. That's how I'm gonna end this video on a positive note. I really hope you guys enjoyed and you got some positive vibes from this video. The main point of making this video was to give you a positive vibe. And yeah, I will definitely see you in my next video. Until we meet next time, stay happy, stay beautiful. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, it's time, okay? Just subscribe to my channel and please help me to grow. I love you all so much, and stay happy, stay beautiful. Bye.